Hello.
Hiya. You get the door up. Don't want to hit your head. Hi, Lucy.
Hello.
Nice to see you
Nice
again.
to see you.
Oliver, you all right? Ready to come and see
Yeah,
your table?
definitely. Can't wait. Looking forward to it.
Brilliant. I think Simon's been working really hard the last couple of days on it. So if you want to make your way upstairs.
Yep.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi, Lucy.
Hiya.
Are you
Good
all
to-
right?
Yeah, good to see you.
Hi, Oliver. How are you? Good. Right. We're at that point when we're going to hopefully reveal what's there. Can you tell me a little bit of history behind your teak coffee table?
Yeah, well, essentially it was my grandparents' coffee table. It's been sat in my sister's conservatory. So she had it after he passed away. It was sat in their conservatory. They did have some plants on it that they were watering. So it got into a little bit of a state really. There was and then it was sat in the garage for a little while as well.
And did you say when you first came that your husband was ready to throw it away, but you wanted to keep it, or was there a sort of like nobody wanted it?
No, my sister was like,
Oh, your sister.
yeah, she was going to have a go at restoring it, and then she decided it was too complicated, and I said, I'll have a go. And then obviously I got in contact with you to say, can you give me some advice? But yeah, so she said, it got to the point where she's like, do you want to just take it? Because otherwise I'm going to put it in the tip. So,
right, it was heading for the tip.
It was heading for the tip, yeah. If I didn't get round to it, it probably would have ended up there.
Well, let's have a look, see what we've got here.
Yeah, no, I
So
can't
it's
wait.
been quite a lot of work. What we've got there.
Oh, wow. That is very impressive, actually. That's so much better than I imagined. That is amazing. God, it looks like new. You can't see that jigsaw puzzle mark.
No. There's streaks all the way down it.
No, you see that is as I remember it in my grandparents' house.
Is it?
Yeah, that's exactly. He was, used to keep things he was a ex-army.
Oh, right, so everything was absolutely
yeah.
perfect.
Yeah, that looks incredible.
So I managed to get rid of pretty much everything. If you look at a certain angle, you might be able to see it, but it all came out.
I love the fact you can see the kind of grain and everything, because it was quite washed out, bleached looking, wasn't it?
It was pretty bad. In fact, it was the worst I've seen, and plus the fact it's a veneer. The veneer is so thin on this, but we got there.
And it looks incredible.
And now it's
Thank you so much. You've done that. Just amazing job. I can't believe it's got back to that actually. And that's so lovely because
Well, hopefully it'll be good
for your table.
Be your table, Oliver. Yeah, you can inherit it. But it also it's a little bit more water resistant than what it was before. So if you do spill things on it, it'll be fine. You just wipe it off.
And how do I keep it like this now?
Well, you don't have to do anything for a little while because I've done it. But maybe it depends how much you use it, and then within 6 months or a year, maybe a year and a half, depends how much use it gets, you can wax polish it with that, because that's what I've used, our rose gold. It's a teak mid-century polish, and that's perfect for that. And if it did mark or something happened to it, you can always give it another coat of the hard wax oil. It will go straight over the top, so you don't have to strip it.
It looks lovely. We're definitely keeping it. Yeah, it's going to go in the lounge.
Lovely, perfect.
Really super pleased. That's really
good.
great. Thank you.
That's all right. It's good. That was
Lovely,
it. I enjoyed doing it. Nice to meet you, Oliver. It was really good. There we go.
That is, I can't get it. It is genuinely superb.
I thoroughly love doing it.
It looks really. I love the colour of it as well.
Hopefully, it's not too glossy. I tried to keep it exactly as it would have been when it was new. Really, except for the finish is a little bit better.